Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to disconnect other device from your Google account. So let's get started. So if you want to disconnect other devices from your Google account, then what you have to do is just simply follow some of these steps. First, open up your settings application. After opening up your settings application, from here just tap on account, and after tapping on account, just simply select a Google account that you want to disconnect others from. So for example, I'll just select this one, and after selecting it, just simply tap on Google account. And after tapping on Google account, now it will take you to the account settings of the specific account that you have selected. So now from here, what you have to do is just simply scroll towards the left and you will find security option. Just tap on security, and after tapping on security, scroll down. After scrolling down, you will find manage all devices option. Just simply tap on manage all devices, and over here you will find all the devices that your account is logged into. So now what you have to do is just simply select a specific account that you want to log out from. So I'll just simply select this Windows account, and after selecting it, now to remove it, what you have to do is just simply tap on sign out and then tap on sign out. After tapping on sign out, here you can see guys, finished, but some apps might still have access. So some apps might still have access, but you have successfully signed out that device from your email. So now that specific device cannot access or cannot create any accounts using your email address. So in this way, you can also disconnect other devices from your Google account. So that's it guys, this is how to disconnect other devices from Google account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.